Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to fix navbar not showing on your Samsung lock screen. When you lock your Samsung phone and you can see the navbar that will include the live match score, clock, different notification you allow to show on the lock screen on your device. If you don't show this live notification, let's see how to fix the navbar not showing on your Samsung lock screen. So first of all, unlock your Samsung device. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now here you can search for the navbar or scroll down up to the lock screen and AOD settings on your Samsung One UI 8 or any other latest Samsung device. So tap on it. Here you can find the navbar option. Just tap on it. So check the information you need to write now on your lock screen without unlocking your phone. So this is the list of category you show on the navbar on your loud notification. So tap on the view more. So if you facing any specific notification related issue like live match score, Google Map issue, clock issue, you can easily solve it. Just toggle it on and toggle it off and check fix the live bar issue or not. Like currently when we lock my phone, you can see the live match score of the Big Bash League, Australia Big Bash League. If you don't see any live match score, so you need to first follow this step. So open the settings. In the navbar settings, tap on the spots from Google if you're facing any spot related issue. Now tap on the spots from the Google settings on your device. Here you can find the list of spots team you follow. So first of all, you need to unfollow it to fix this issue. So here we go to the ICC event, we follow the team. Now unfollow the team on my device. Now tap on the finish button. Now toggle off the spots from the Google option on your device. Now go back again, go back. Now restart your device by swipe down the notification panel, tap on the power button, tap on a restart, tap on a restart to restart your phone. After the restart your device, again go to the navbar settings. I go to settings, lock screen AOD, navbar, spots from the Google on the option, spots from the Google settings, and follow the team you want to show the live match score. So again, we go to the cricket ICC event, follow the Australia team, tap on the finish. Now lock my Samsung device. Now currently you can only see the only clock, so wait for the few minutes. It will automatically add the live match score you follow on your device. It will definitely working for you. So wait for it. When you unlock it, you can find it on your status bar also. So now go to settings. When you open the view more option on your device and go to the spots from the Google, you also need to enable the web and app activity. Make sure web and app activity turn on your Samsung device to use this feature. So tap on the link web and app activity on your device on your phone. Now here you can find the option saving to web and app activity. Tap on it on your device. Here you can see web and app activity is on. Make sure on this on your device to show the live match score on your navbar or fix the navbar not working on Samsung lock screen issue. So make sure turn on the web and app activity on your device. Also, you can individually enable or disable the option if you want to turn off this clock notification from the status bar or a lock screen. Just toggle off the clock. Just turn off the clock and you can see remove from the status bar. Also, when you lock your device, you can see remove the clock navbar on your device. So quite easy to fix the navbar not working on your Samsung lock screen. Just enable or disable the option to show the live notification or live navbar on your Samsung phone. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.